everybody, it's Crystal here and welcome. We are starting a new section or series called For the Wanderlust Chronicles, and we're calling this the Wanderlust One Pot Wonders, featuring mostly the Instapot, because I've seen a lot of the campers, the full-time RVers are taking their one pot with them. So I'm just trying to come up with one pot meals that are easy, inexpensive, and quick. My husband always jokes that I am the one pot wonder. If it can be made in one pot, I can make it. So tonight we're doing Bang Bang Chicken, compliments of domesticsuperhero.com. That's where I got the recipe. And if you've ever been to BoneFish Grill and had the Bang Bang shrimp, this is a takeoff of that. So it involves sriracha, mayonnaise, chicken stock, rice vinegar, chicken, of course, rice, the cabbage, green onions, and tomatoes. And it's all gonna be made right here in my Instapot. I have a GoWise USA Instapot. We bought it probably a year ago. I've never really used the pressure cooking part of it. We're gonna do that tonight. We're gonna all learn together and just have an exciting, adventurous time. So come on and let's get cooking. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is make a sauce that goes in with the chicken. And then you have the other sriracha sauce that goes on top. So I'm gonna take a 1/3 cup of chicken stock. Two tablespoons of sriracha. This is gonna be spicy. And a tablespoon of rice vinegar. And I need to whisk that together. Okay, so that's got a good little whisk on it. And now, let me take my Instapot out. And we're gonna be using the rack. And I'm gonna spray it with Pam. And we're going to place the chicken. I have a pound of chicken breast, boneless, skinless chicken breast. I'm gonna place that in the bottom of my pan, or my pot. That. And then we're gonna pour the sauce mixture over top of it. And we will place the rack, adjust the little rack over top of it. What we're doing is called a pot and pot method, because now I'm gonna put an oven-proof bowl on top of this and the rice goes in there. So give me 1 minute and I'll get that ready. Okay, so you're gonna put in 2 cups of rice in the bowl, in the oven-proof bowl that I have in there. So I have 2 cups of rice and 2 cups of water. So I'll just pour the water over the rice. I don't know if you need to or not, but I'm gonna kind of make sure it's all even and flat. That's me. And then we're gonna put this back in the Instapot. Okay, so now we're gonna place this back in our Instant Pot, or Instapot. Go ahead and plug it in. And we're gonna put the lid on. And I wanna leave my pressure on, because we're gonna cook this for 6 minutes on high manual. So so when I plug in my Instapot, I'm automatically on high pressure, and I just need to put in how much time I want. So I just want 6 minutes. So I'm on high pressure, and I'm gonna do 6 minutes. So I have to reduce my time for 6 minutes on high, and now it's heating up, and we'll let that set and do its thing. So now I'm getting ready to make the additional sauce. When you prepare the plate, this is the sauce that's gonna go over the top. So we're gonna have a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. And I did notice in the store the other day, they have sriracha mayo. We didn't buy it because we weren't planning on this at the time, but that probably would have cut down on some ingredients and time making. But I do enjoy making, so I don't mind. So it's a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. You will have another 2 tablespoons of sriracha. They like their sriracha. Another tablespoon of rice vinegar. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. And we're gonna combine that, and we're just gonna set this aside and get it whisked together. So with my Instapot, there's preset keys that you can use, or you do manual, which is what I did. I did manual. And also, the cooker will start to heat up, and it will not start counting down until it has reached its pressure. So once it's ready that it's actually starting to cook is when then the timer will start counting down. Now this chicken and rice meal is served over shredded cabbage, tomatoes, and green onions. Actually, you put that on top. So I'm gonna get ready now, and I'm gonna shred up purple and green cabbage, slice some tomatoes, and get my green onions ready. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, so I have everything prepared. I'm waiting for the pressure to manually release in the pressure cooker. It said to just let it do it on its own, don't release the steam valve. So I still have another, probably about 6 or 7 minutes left for this, but all my toppings are ready. Probably gonna throw some cheese on this, I imagine, because we are huge cheese lovers. But this is the preparation. I am going to make a disclaimer. I am not in any means a professional chef or cook. I know a few things. My knife skills are horrible. If you ever watch this Chef Row, I apologize. It's not professionally trained by you. Corey has scolded me appropriately. And I understand that I may not use the right knife, but I use what's comfortable in my hand. So that's just my disclaimer. I'm just trying to learn, and I just want to share with everybody because I do enjoy kitchen appliances and I do enjoy creating meals in them. So we should just a few more minutes and we'll get everything plated up and ready to go. Okay, so the pressure cooker has stopped. I was supposed to let it manually release pressure. Now I have to slowly release the pressure valve and release any remaining pressure that may be in there. There wasn't any. And then gently remove the lid. So the glass bowl is very hot, so I gotta try to get it out of here. That's a little tricky. Take that out. And there's my chicken that I need to put on a plate and shred. Let me get a plate. Okay, so let's take out the rack. And the chicken. And I'm gonna shred it. It looks cooked. Okay, so we've got our chicken shredded, so now we're gonna add it back into our sauce and let it absorb everything. Let it absorb the little bit of liquid that was left in there. Kind of give it a good stir around. Your rice is still gonna be hot, so be careful with the bowl. And you're just gonna spoon out some rice. I'm gonna put some chicken over top. Some juice. And then we'll add our other ingredients. Cabbage. Some tomato. Some green onion. Oh, our sauce. And there you have it. Bang bang chicken over rice. You can put this on tortillas and have it like a taco, a street taco if you wanted to. You can do whatever you want. You can put it on pasta. You can eat it plain, however you want to enjoy it. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.